Today we're going to be reviewing a 12 volt air compressor by Gobege, and it's this guy right here. It's actually a pretty decent little unit so far, it feels like it. And so I'm just pulling it out of the bag right here. And there's going to be a link down in the description where you can check this out for yourself. And I got to figure out how to put this thing together, but it comes with like this big air hose thing, so that looks like some kind of quick connect. I mean, look at that's like a 25-foot air hose, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little quick connect there, probably. No? Oh, there it is. Yeah. And then this goes here, probably, to air it up. Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't know, but there is instructions, but you guys should know better than that. It's got a gauge built into it, and looks like this. So, you know, it's 12 volt. It's for your car battery. That's pretty long. We might be able to do this by just starting the car and actually airing the tires up. But we got some flat tires on the Mercury, and I got to get ready to get rid of that thing. So that's where we're headed next. Well, up here by the Mercury, and battery's dead naturally, so we'll jump start it. Once we get her jump started up, then we'll hook up that battery or the air compressor, and that tire right there is flat as a pancake. So this one's pretty flat too, actually. So we'll air both of them up because we don't want to trash these good tires. And then we're gonna go rip the tires off of this and throw her up for sale. So if you're in the market for a custom Mercury, you know, I got one. That's the Gobege 12 volt air compressor, and there's a link in the description for you. And you know, I gotta say, I like it. That's going in the trunk of my cars for every road trip we take now, no doubt about it. Because these are pretty big tires, and it aired them up, no problem. So, hey, that's pretty cool. And thanks a lot to them for sending that to me to show you guys. And we'll see you next time on Pole Barn Garage Reviews and more.